The pace of AI agent adoption is ramping up. It's because they're powered by Gen AI, and as such, they can handle a wide array of tasks. For instance, they can manage your calendar, schedule meetings, and send reminders. They can also analyze large datasets to provide actionable insights, draft emails, and even generate reports. Now, we've been having an absolute blast at Firney with generative AI in the last 6 weeks. 5 projects we've worked on that included generative AI are an AI-powered insurance data retrieval and preparation tool. We built a marketing content hub, so multiple types of different social content and keywords were getting generated by this tool. We built a YouTube short to LinkedIn post generator with tone of voice and formatting to lay out the text in a nice format. We built a daily news aggregator containing a specific keyword to LinkedIn post tool, so we're able to quickly generate posts on up-to-date news and articles. We built an AI agent for HR Q&A using the staff handbooks, so it was able to answer all the common queries that were coming from staff. Using all of the existing internal documentation, we just took that existing information, we put it onto a storage location and indexed it, and then we were able to serve the responses in real time to the user as they were asking their queries and give them links to the original source documents so they could go in and vet the answers and read more detail for themselves. The possibilities for this are absolutely endless, and the best part is that these agents are continuously learning and improving, becoming more efficient and effective over time. So what are some other examples of generative AI tools? Well, for example, a financial services firm might integrate AI agents and tools into its operations. Now, initially, there is likely to be some hesitation and concern about job displacement. However, within a few weeks or months, the teams usually see remarkable improvements and see that it can take over some of those repetitive tasks like data entry and answering customer queries, allowing those employees to focus more on their strategic initiatives. The result is some seriously increased productivity, higher job satisfaction, and a more innovative work environment, enhancing jobs and creating new opportunities for growth and development. Another example might be a tech company using AI agents and tools to streamline its customer support process. So those tools can handle common queries and issues, freeing up the human agents to deal with some of the trickier calls that they might be receiving. This is not only going to improve those response times, but it's also going to increase customer satisfaction, which is why we use it internally on our support desk at Firney. Human agents can then focus on providing that higher level of service, and the AI agents can ensure that no query goes unanswered. So the question is, how can you start leveraging these AI tools in your own work? Well, here's a few actionable tips. So first, identify your repetitive tasks and make a list of all of those tasks that are repetitive and time-consuming. These are tasks that AI tools are really going to find easy to automate. Think about activities like data entry, scheduling, and basic customer support. Next, explore some AI tools, so research agents like Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT to find the best fit for your needs. Each of these tools has its own strengths and capabilities, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your specific requirements. Thirdly, start small. Begin by automating 1 or 2 tasks and gradually expand as you become more comfortable with the tools. This will allow you to see the benefit of those tools without feeling overwhelmed. Start with simple tasks and then move on to the more complex ones as you gain confidence. Fourthly, upskill. Invest time in learning about AI and how it can be integrated into your workflow. Understanding the basics of AI will help you make the most of these tools and ensure that you're using them effectively. Fifthly, once you've built something, then monitor and adjust it. So keep track of how the tools are performing and make adjustments as needed. These tools are continuously learning, so it's important to provide feedback and fine-tune their performance. This will help you get the best results and ensure that the AI tools are meeting your needs. Next, collaborate with your team. Collaboration is key to successful integration. By working together, you can identify the best use cases for these tools and ensure that everyone is on board with the changes. For anyone who's still a little bit uncertain about the feasibility of these AI tools, they're here, they're working, they're ready to transform the way that we're working today. By automating mundane tasks, they free up your time for more strategic, creative, and high-impact activities. You need to embrace this change, explore the possibilities, and take that first step towards a more efficient and innovative work environment. They can handle those repetitive tasks that often bog you down, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Whether it's strategic planning, creative problem solving, or leading your team, these tools can help you achieve more. By embracing AI, you're not just keeping up with the latest technology, you're positioning yourself and your organization for future success. The future of work is here, powered by these AI tools. Don't get left behind, start exploring the possibilities today and see how these tools can transform your work and your role.